How'd you like my text yesterday?
How you texting me at 3 in the morning?
I just felt like it. I was thinking about you.
What's going on with this Porsche?
I don't know. We're doing a service. We have a 911 Turbo S here. You guys know that this car is an insane car. The color on this car is amazing. It is custom by Porsche. This thing also has a Tech Art kit. Makes it look a little bit even much nicer actually with the kit. So we're doing a service on this thing. Oil change, synthetic oil change filter. Just a basic service, nothing else right now. The car is too new to have any problems. So that's all we're doing. Javier's doing we'll do the reset, make sure there's no service lights on, and this car's good to go. How many pieces is the car have? Okay,
so
one.
This.
Okay, so one.
This.
Okay, two.
Yeah, this.
Okay, three.
I don't think he has the wing, no.
Okay.
This is how dumb they are. You cannot go dumber than this. Okay, this is 2 pieces, no? 1, 2.
Yeah, Tech Art.
Okay. No, he's saying one. That's 2 different pieces.
Are you sure it's 5,000 a month?
Yeah.
So you would definitely trade your M5 for this car.
For 5,000, I'll get a F8.
What's faster?
They say this one is faster, to be honest. They put it like some like race. Shows this one is more faster.
Than the F8?
Yeah.
He wants to see if the F8's faster.
Exactly. Your brain is this small. It's not a compliment. It's bad. It's a very bad thing. You're like 35 years
Bro,
old.
everything you say doesn't matter, so...
All you care about is and fast cars.
That's $5,000. It's not
How is it
5,000.
painted? It's so nice.
And it comes from the Ferrari. Yeah, how come the Ferrari doesn't have the thing?
Look, it comes with factory squeaking.
Yeah.
You know that Tesla video? They're like, what'd you pay $150,000 for a Tesla? And the guy's touching everything is rattling. Any car you touch shit is gonna rattle.
That's pretty cool. Are you happy?
Yeah, Ferrari is the king.
How much money did you make off this?
Nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing? Then you wasted your whole life.
Where can I get one of those plates from?
Go to online, but this is the good version.
Can you please not put bent license plate frames on our builds, please? Take it out.
Oh, speaking of these, by the way, we're gonna have our new plates coming in.
Anyway.
The new plate's not gonna have this chrome,
hide the...
and then there's gonna be white, the RDB. So they're coming and they're gonna be online.
Oh, and Vic driving by. Yeah, pull up.
What are you guys doing with that? You buy it?
No, Marvin.
You buy it?
Yeah, Marvin buy for.
How much you guys buy it for? 3,000. 3,000?
Yeah.
You guys did not buy this thing for 3,000.
Hey, you sold him the painting?
I gave it to him.
You just gave it to him?
Why?
He realized he's never gonna use it.
No, Marvin wanted it. He offered $100, but I gave him. Yeah, Marvin's a nice employee.
How much did you pay for it?
500.
400.
No, you paid 500.
500, yeah.
All right, guys, we are standing in front of this Mercedes Benz S580. We were doing a lot of them, kind of died down. We got this project in because we got a body kit for it. This body kit comes with a full front bumper, comes with a rear diffuser, and a lot of carbon fiber mirror caps, little side moldings, the trunk trim, all that stuff is actually carbon fiber. The front lip, as you can see, carbon fiber. This car is very low. This bumper's super low, and now it's on 22-inch RDB Aero 22 wheels, we're calling them. This is the first set we've done on this car right now, and we got it to be super concave. So this is gonna look good on every type of vehicle in any size. So you could order them now, built to any car you want, any size, any color. Moses is getting, I don't know, beat up over there. But yeah, I mean, this is a beautiful pearl white Mercedes color. We color matched the front bumper, of course. To do this kit, we had to buy a lot of original parts that go behind the bumper bumper, and even the back for the exhaust tips. We actually ordered AMG exhaust tips and all that stuff. Looks really nice, honestly. This is the sportiest S-Class new model I've seen, and with the wheels, really, really sick. We lowered it pretty good. We might raise it up a tad bit for drivability, of course. We're already having some trouble here and there in driveways, so we have to make it a little bit easier for the client because it is too low. But yeah, other than that, really sweet. Let us know what you think. I think this is the baddest S-Class around. We've done a lot of black ones. All the black ones are just blacked out, you know. This is very, very different with the white and black theme, so hope you guys like it. Guys, we are sitting in this brand new 2022 Rolls Royce Ghost. This is not your typical new Ghost. This is actually a black badge Ghost. So, as you guys already know, black badge is Rolls Royce's even more special version of their cars. We've done a lot of black badge Cullinans, a lot of black badge Wraiths, Dawns. This is the new Ghost in the black badge form, and it is amazing as well. As you can see, this azure blue interior, really beautiful. I love what Rolls Royce does as they go really crazy with the color. They make almost everything colored. The steering wheel's blue, door panels. Only thing missing, the top would be really nice and blue as well, but really awesome car right here. This is in its burnout gray color as well. So burnout gray outside, which is Nardo gray from Rolls Royce, and this blue on the interior, perfect combination. It already comes with a lot of black chrome accents all around the car, so it's really blacked out except for the door handles. Black badge cars, the door handles remain chrome. This customer opted to leave it chrome as well. The front grille, also the slits are chrome. The rest is all black chrome. And now we have a new set of 24-inch RDB wheels. We call this the Chrono wheel. Really clean wheel, very different. It does like the spiral look, and honestly looks great on every kind of car. It's not too funky, it's still kind of classy but sporty, and it is directional, so really nice wheel. Retained the original Rolls Royce cap, of course, as usual. Also with these wheels, we did like a two-tone black, so most of the wheel is satin black, and the little spikes on the top, the face, is actually gloss black, so a little detailed there, but it looks really nice. This wheel is pretty popular already for us, as we've done 3 sets. We have a polished set going on a Ghost next, so that's going to be another project. But this is a really clean Ghost, and honestly, with just wheels and lowering, I mean, it looks incredible with the burnout gray and the blue. So awesome car. This is something I would definitely enjoy and drive. One of the best cars you could buy as far as 4-door on the market right now.
Hey, which gray do you like better?
I think this one more.
That one?
Yeah, this is more like. Which caps? Bro, 25 million times. It's right here. I sure they don't know shit about anything. What is this most?
Caps, Mercedes caps. That Vic told you 30 times to give to the guys, but you didn't do it because you're lazy.
Bro, 45 million times you and Vic asked. I told him it's in the back.
All you have to do is get it from the back, take it, and give it to
So you guys are lazy to
And
get
you
it, so I have to do it.
No.
So, is this a mechanic? Is this a body shop?
That's neither. It's
Prato, is it body shop or mechanical? How putting tires?
No, you're not. This is not a tire. It's a cap. Do you know the definition of a mechanical part? This is not a mechanical part.
Yes, mechanical part.
This is not a mechanical part. What's the definition?
We're not talking about if it's a mechanical part.
Vic told you 40 times to take that and give it
No,
to him.
never.
Yes,
he told
he
me
did.
if he got it or not.
Why didn't you take it to him?
Okay, let's go. We're gonna go ask. He told me if he got it or not.
Aren't you supposed to say yes and take it to him?
I told him I got it. It's in the office.
Yeah. So take it and give it to him.
Here.
He never wants to admit
No,
he's wrong.
when we okay, are you coming to ask or no? Or are you being lazy? So whenever he's not right, so he makes excuses and goes to the office. That's Moses. Whenever Moses is wrong, this is how calm he is. Whenever he's right, you will
I
freaking
think he
fight.
doesn't care, he just wants to get back to work.
Good job.
He doesn't have work to do. Look, he's just gonna sit. He's gonna double click on everything. That's it.
My grandma can write an estimate. I have nothing to prove.
My grandma can charge a credit card too. Writing an estimate, that's art.
The things I've done, he'll never be able to do.
Writing an estimate, that's an art.
You guys decide who's a better worker. You guys comment on the next thing. And if I'm right, he's gonna buy me lunch.
So if I'm right, he's gonna buy me a lunch plus jumbo juice. No, I don't want lunch. I want jumbo juice.
What is this?
Which one?
You don't know what that is?
No. What does it mean?
It's a BMW performance brand.
Is it? I think the only thing I know is and performance. Alpina and Hammond. No, what is it?
You haven't heard of that brand?
No.
Look it up.
What is it?
If you wrap that, it's a curve. It's gonna look like a bubble.
Did you just say
No,
right
just
that?
straight. Just do it straight.
You can't do it straight. It's curved.
No, if you just go.
What? Really?